All right. It's snowy. It's terrible. It's cold. But I'm gonna try to see if we can actually get around and start every vehicle. Maybe we can. It's a winter wonderland. So let's do it. Well, we're gonna check the smoking banana first. See if that one will go. See how cold-blooded she is. Oh, come on, old girl. There we go. Now we're cooking with bacon. Classic banana. Now for you, my little friend. Your big brother's running. Well then. Sorry, El Camino. Sprint, whatever you are. Fuel pump, check. Clutch pedal. Wet foot. Neutral. But I can't do the gas. Wow. That's ridiculous. Well, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. What you think, Pontiac? For your first snowy winter and forever. Oh, it's the short key. I forgot. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Huh. Not bad. Not bad. I already know the battery's dead on the El Camino. I might try to get that running. Wow, these are both still going. Everyone's running. What a glorious Christmas. welcome, neighbors.